Today's video is being sponsored by Indium91.com. Be sure to visit the website for all your graphic needs, anything from digital to physical. Check out my guy Cartoon Connect over a million subscribers, man. Just uploaded a video. I forgot. I did a theme song for it. Gotta be Mo. Welcome to the show. From a boy to a man making things happen on his own. I produced the beat for it too. So dope. You can catch him at the high school. He be getting crazy, but he's staying on the right track. Parents ain't around, but his boy's got his back. Mo. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy named Matthews doing a little quick talk over how I turned this image right here and this one right here that I received in my email for this project into some magnets and some embroidered patches for the Gotta Be Mo series here on YouTube. So the first thing I had to do, man, is throw it into the program. Starting off, I like to use Photoshop. It's not the embroidery program, but I use that to actually break down every single color, every single letter, every single shape and color and things like that in the program. So when I do throw it in the proper program, my program knows exactly what it needs to focus on during the time of the stitch out. I do apologize too, by the way. I'm actually looking at the little slideshow of this video and just trying to talk over it. It's a real quick video. Hopefully you guys will understand. Anyways, after I have my file set up and everything, I threw the PES file into my machine. If you guys want to know more about that, hit the card that pops up. I made more educated videos on the topic. But as you can see right here, man, it's coming out great. I had one finished patch. As you guys can see, there is more fabric at the end of that patch. So I went ahead and did another one. So depending on the design and the size hoop that you're using, you can get multiple in one. We got one machine going right here and the other one going right here. I forgot I had this machine, man. It's just been sitting here. I've been showing love to the other one. Look how it's coming along though. As you can see, man, it turned out mighty fine, mighty great. Two machines in one, just booming through it. Just finished up this project I was working on for the bro YouTube channel, Cartoon Connect. He hit me to make some magnets and stuff for the brand. We got the embroidery patches. If y'all trying to pick one up, hit them up. If y'all need something done similar, hit me. And just like that, y'all, it's all nice and done. It's all packaged up. So I got some magnets on one side of it, and on the flip side is the embroidered patches. Threw my business card in there. As you guys can see, this right here is the turnout. I think it turned out great. Another thing I did not really show in the video, because again, I was focused on the design versus you know, recording the process for you guys. That's why this video is so quick. If you guys want to see a lot of behind the scenes though, I do usually post a lot of this stuff on my Instagram, specifically in my Instagram stories. So you want to make sure you follow me and kind of, you know, check on my profile, see what I'm up to. I'm always working on projects when I'm posting. I post on Instagram just about every day. Whereas YouTube, I have to be more, you know, editing the videos. I usually like to make my videos longer and educational. On Instagram, man, it's going to be some of everything. It's not specifically about embroidery. It's not specific about creating things. Sometimes it's music, sometimes it's dancing, sometimes it's whatever. Sometimes it, or not even sometimes, all the time is me on my Instagram. So if you guys want to keep in contact with me, and if you guys want to, you know, contact me for a project similar as this, all my information is going to be in the description. If it is business related, most likely it is. If you're watching, you know, if you're contacting me after watching this video, I do prefer you to send me information via email, including quantity, size, things like that, you know, so we can discuss business related things. That's enough talking though, because I actually have another project I need to start, so I ain't gonna make this one too long. Again, if you guys found this video helpful, if you guys want more information, make sure you go to my channel, because I have plenty of tutorials and things like that showing you guys how I make patches, how I convert my files to the embroidery, how I pretty much anything you might ask. Check my channel before you ask, because I might have a video for it. But if you guys have anything you would like to see next on this channel, or you want me to convert your file, contact me and I got you. Peace.